Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a little haul video. I got some things from Amazon that are crafty related and some things from the Happy Crafter shop. So the first thing that I got, I actually went to a class this on a couple days ago on Sunday. And it was how to make a Christmas album. So that video will be coming up, or I will do a project share. I'm just now putting some finishing touches on it, and then I will do a video to show it. But I needed to have a runner, a glue runner. And so I purchased this Easy Runner Grand. It's from Scrapbook Adhesives. And I also picked up one of the refills, so I will link both of those down below in the description. Love that a lot. It is, I don't know what I did before. I just I never used one. I just used like score tape, I guess. Pretty old-fashioned, but it would have taken me forever to create an album with the score tape. And then I picked up this Spellbinders Paper Arts Handmade Holidays Christmas Kit. And it is the kit to make Christmas cards. You get 2 ephemera. Here are some, let's see if we can open it this way. So you get 2 packs of ephemera. You get all of your card bases and your card envelopes. Looks like that one is a little... and then you get some cardstock stickers. You get some stamps, some jimmies. You get some adhesive and pop dots. And you get some sequins. Then we have some more stickers. I don't think they're cardstock though. Oh, it's front and back. Then we get some of these like puffy stickers. We get a Handmade Holidays paper pad. And here it shows all of the papers that you get. So there is that. And then you get a pack of 18 8.5 by 11 sheets. 14 smooth cardstock, 2 gold foil, and 2 silver foil. So, different colors in there. But it's the whole kit to make Christmas cards. So, I'm going to make the ones for my family this year. And then, I did the kit just so I don't have to think about it. You know, I got everything right here. And then, I will link this down below because I got it from Amazon. But, then I can just make their, cards, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish up this kit and make cards for next year. So, that is the plan. So there is that. I will link it down below. And then I have the Happy Crafter shop order. I ordered just a few things. I really wanted her adhesive foam. So I picked up 2 of these, very inexpensive, and I used Liana 10 to get 10% off my order. But I picked up 2 of these, and I used some of them for my album that I made. Here is all of Lisa's Instagram, YouTube. And then I picked up 2 of these beads. They are the red, pink, and the white iridescent. I just noticed when I was making a dangle, I don't have very many beads. So I need more. I picked up some reindeers. Some of the bubble letters. I picked up some Christmas trees and some of the gift bag. And then she sent me some more of the Christmas trees and the gift bags. And the last thing that I picked up came out of the package. But They are these cute charms, or flatbacks of the hot cocoa. So that is my haul from the Happy Crafter shop and Amazon, my little crafty haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Those of you that are subscribed and have watched my videos, I hope you're enjoying the series for the advent calendars. The gifts keep getting better and better on all of the calendars. So make sure you're catching those. And I'll be back soon in another crafty, planner, or beauty video.